To search for contacts, you can use your search bar here. You'll type the individual's name. The more of their name that you type, the less matches that you will have here. So you can just pick, once you see the person that you want to use or to contact, you can highlight over them in the search results. When you highlight them, it will show you their status. You can hover over the telephone and it shows their work number. Over the cellular phone, if their cellular number is configured in, it will show you their number there. You can also generate a chat contact right there from that contact. So if you just want to chat with that individual, you can click the chat button there and that will initiate the conversation. So we'll go ahead and initiate a chat. It also saves them by date. So if I scroll down, you'll see we had one conversation on Tuesday the 19th. We had another one on Wednesday. Now, if I go down and click in my chat line, and then you can tell that this one's bolded so we know it's a current conversation that we're having. You also have the ability to change the font. So in the font, you can change the type, the size. You can make it bold, italic, and then you can choose your color. So maybe we want to color this red. Now this will only make the changes for this particular chat that we send. When you do this, we'll go ahead and send this one. So then it updates this. So then our next one that we send, you notice it goes back to the standard font. If you want to mark a message urgent, you can click that. Type your message. You can also choose the emoticons and enter in. When you hit return, once it's marked urgent, then you'll see the little exclamation at the front of that, so they know it's important. We also have the ability to add additional contacts or additional people to this chat. So from this chat, if we wanted to add additional people, we can click the little plus. It will open our search window again. So if we wanted to search for someone to add, again, you type their name just like you did before. You can do a search. It'll bring up those people. When you find the individual that you want, you can move them over here. If there's multiple people that you want to add, we can find the individual, or you can add multiple people that way. When you are ready to add, when you have all your participants selected, then you can hit add. And it will send them a group. It sends them a message. It opens our group chat. So they get a little message that they actually have to accept, knowing that they're going to be into a group chat. When they accept the message, then they will be bolded in there. So you can tell that right now Josh Watkins has not accepted it. So you can type your message. Send that and everyone sees that. They can type back. You do notice that you're in a group chat. You'll see the double conversation bubbles here, so you know it's a group. If you decide that, also here you can see Tiffany is typing us a note because it changes her status to a pencil, so you know that she's typing something to us. If we wanted to add any additional participants, we could click our Add Participants here again, and we'll get our search window, and we could add any additional at that time. When you're done with the group chat, you're done with that particular chat, you can click the X just to close it out. Down here, if we searched and we had a conversation with someone that we want to actually have in our directory, um, here is somebody you frequently have conversations with, you can click down here to add contact to this list. So I can add her there, and she's now in my general list. Okay. Another way to add people into your list is you can, so if we're doing a search again, we find our person. Okay, so I have Josh. I can I guess I clicked on that. I didn't mean to. I can hover over him. So as I hover over, you see the contact information come up. So I could click the little plus person here as well. The other thing that you can do is right-click on his name. I can generate a chat from here. I can also call, and I can choose which number I want to call from. The call with video at this point is not working, so you won't, it's just not a setup for that. And then if I want to add him to my contact list, I can just click there.